Hi, ni hao, hello, welcome back once again. Today, we're going to learn how to count from 11 to 99 in Chinese language. Remember, in our previous video, we've learned how to count from 0 to 10 in Chinese language. If you have already known how to count from 0 to 10 in Chinese language, learning from 11 to 99 will be very easy for you because the numbers we're going to be making use of is from 0 to 10. But we are going to be applying them in different methods. Let's quickly start. Before we start learning how to count from 11 to 99, let's quickly review from 0 to 10. We have 零、一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、10. Now, counting from 11 to 19, the first. For we to be able to count from 11 to 19, there is one formula that we are going to use. Always remember that. We only need to add numbers from 1 to 9 at the front of 10. Add numbers 1 to 9 at the front of 10. For example, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19. So counting from 20 to 99, 20 to 99. The simplest formula you can use, always remember that, is also to add numbers from 2 to 9. Add numbers from 2 to 9 at the back of 10. Add numbers from 2 to 9 at the back of 10. Meaning what? If we are to talk about 20, 20 is going to give us, adding that number at the back of 10, we have 20, 20, which is 20. Then, remember we say is to add numbers from 2 to 9 at the back of 10. Then, 30 will be what? 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90. Beautiful. Now, can you say 21, 22, or 31, 32? 21, 21, because 20 is 20. So 20, 21. We only need to add 1. 21. That is how you will count from 21 to 29. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, which is 29. The same thing also applies in 30, 40, 50. Can you say 55? 55, 55. Now, 99, can you say that? 90 is what? Remember, 90, 90, 99, 99, 99, 99. 77, can you say that? 77, 70 45 45 40 40 5 45 45 88 88 88 23 23 23 You've seen that counting from 11 to 99 is very simple. Only if it's only simple, only if you can be able to count from 0 to 10. That is how it's going to be simple for you. But in a situation whereby you cannot count from 0 to 10, it's going to be very, very difficult for you. And remember your tones. Some people, why saying whooshi, some people do say woo, like their pronunciation is always wrong. Please, if you're having issues on your pronunciations, why maybe you want to pronounce geo or woo, and you're getting it and it is difficult for you to pronounce, please use your app. You can use Hampin Light Pro, or you can download Pleco. It's gonna help you in your pronunciations. Just only need to, after the downloading, only need to input the word that you just type in the word like you write it down there, then click on the speaker. The word will be pronounced for you. So the most important thing in this language is to know your pronunciations. So today we've been able to learn how to count from 0 to 99. That is really awesome. Please, if you are new in our channel, remember to subscribe, like, ask questions on the comment section. Most importantly, don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more video updates. See you all next time in our next video course. Titan.